अपनी स्कूल की असेंबली अटेंड कर रहे हैं एंड द नेशनल एंथम प्लेस, ऑल ऑफ यू स्टैंड अप आउट ऑफ रिस्पेक्ट ऑफ कोर्स, लेकिन आपका एक फ्रेंड बैठा रहता है एंड ही कीप्स ऑन स्क्रोलिंग ऑन हिज फोन. Now this is not just rude and disrespectful, but this also violates the fundamental duties जो आपकी हैं as a citizen of the country India. Most of us are aware of our fundamental rights. हमें पता है कि हमारे पास fundamental rights हैं जो हमारा constitution हमें guarantee करता है. And some of these fundamental rights include the right to freedom of speech and expression, right to education, right to equality, and there are many more. बट हम में से कितने लोग एक्चुअली ध्यान देते हैं टुवर्ड्स आवर फंडामेंटल ड्यूटीज. सो हाय गाइस, आई एम शिविका मेहरा एंड इन टुडेज वीडियो आई विल बी डिस्कसिंग अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक विच कम्स अंडर द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ 1950, जो बेसिकली बात करता है अबाउट आवर फंडामेंटल ड्यूटीज. नाउ लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड बाय अंडरस्टैंडिंग द ट्रू मीनिंग ऑफ फंडामेंटल ड्यूटीज. ऑल्सो आज की वीडियो में मैं आपको एक्सप्लेन करूंगी ऑल द फंडामेंटल ड्यूटीज जो listed हैं under the Indian Constitution. I will be explaining all these duties to you in a very simple manner and with very relatable real life examples. So now let's get started with the video. Now let's get started by understanding the true meaning of fundamental duties. So basically fundamental duties are the moral responsibilities of citizens towards their country. These duties encourage people to respect the constitution, promote unity, protect the environment and contribute to the country's welfare. So basically fundamental duties वो ड्यूटीज होती हैं जो हमें रियलाइज करवाती हैं हमारी moral responsibilities towards our country. So basically the main aim of fundamental duties is to encourage people to stay together and respect each other, and also most importantly respect the provisions of the constitution. So basically the fundamental duties are listed under part 4A, Article 51A of the Indian Constitution, and in total we have 11 fundamental duties. So total हमारे Indian Constitution में 11 fundamental duties listed हैं. And now let's get started by understanding all these 11 fundamental duties in a very simple manner. Now let's quickly understand all these fundamental duties in a very simple manner. So the first trick is कि आप सारे alphabets from A to K लिख लो. From A, which is to abide the constitution, respect the national anthem and the national flag. So as Indian citizens हमारी first fundamental duty है कि हम हमेशा constitution को abide करें, constitution को हम हमेशा follow करें, and we should always respect our national anthem and national flag. So basically जो मैंने starting minutes of the video में example दिया था कि जब भी national anthem होती है, it is your fundamental duty to always stand up. That example sets very well with the first fundamental duty. Second fundamental duty is from B, which is Bapuji, भगत सिंह एंड बोस, विच इज सुभाष चंद्र बोस. सो अगर हम अपने सारे फ्रीडम फाइटर्स को याद रखते हैं, सो वी विल ऑलवेज बी एबल टू रिमेंबर ऑल द नोबल आइडियल्स, एंड इन्हीं नोबल आइडियल्स की वजह से वी वर एबल टू गेट फ्रीडम. हमारी कंट्री फ्री हो पाई थी ओनली बिकॉज ऑफ दीज नोबल आइडियल्स. सो इट इज़ ऑलवेज आर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी एंड इट इज़ ऑलवेज आर फंडामेंटल ड्यूटी कि हम ये सारे आइडियल्स याद रखें एंड वी फॉलो देम इन आर रियल लाइफ. and always remember that India को जो freedom मिली थी, that was earned, it was not gifted to us. So the second fundamental duty is to always remember the noble ideals which led to our country becoming a free nation. The third fundamental duty is from C, which is to combine all the values of sovereignty, unity and integrity. So as citizens of our country India, we should always respect these three principles of sovereignty, unity and integrity. ये हमारा third fundamental duty है. The next fundamental duty is from D, which is to defend your country. So it is always your responsibility, it is always your duty as an Indian citizen कि आप अपनी country को, आप अपनी nation को defend करो, and जब भी आपके nation को ज़रूरत है, you should provide service to your nation. You should always be ready to protect and defend your nation. The next fundamental duty is from E, which is equality. Equality का बहुत simple मतलब यह है that we should always respect and we should always follow and promote common brotherhood, and we should always believe in the principle of unity in diversity. इसका बहुत simple मतलब यह है that India, of course, everybody of us knows, is a secular country. यहाँ पे बहुत सारे different religions है, cultures है, customs है, caste है, and as an Indian citizen हमारी responsibility है कि हम सारे लोगों को, whether they follow a particular culture, custom, religion, they speak a different language, उन सबको equal respect दे and we behave in a manner कि एक feeling of brotherhood and togetherness रहे. The next fundamental duty is from F, which is forts. Forts का बहुत simple मतलब यह है that it is our duty as Indian citizens to protect the heritage and culture of our country India. हम सबकी responsibility है कि जो हमारा basic culture है हमारी country का and जो हमारी बहुत beautiful heritage है, हम उसको हमेशा protect करें. The next fundamental duty is from G, which is greenery. Greenery से the only thing that comes in our mind is environment. So the next fundamental duty is to always protect and conserve the environment. हमारे environment में जो भी चीज़ें हैं, whether it is plants, trees, animals or any other possible wildlife, any other living thing, we should always aim to protect it and conserve it. The next fundamental duty is from H, which is humanity. And ये fundamental duty promote करती है scientific temper and it always tells you to think logically and promote the overall well-being. Basically, humanitarian grounds को हमेशा at top रखो. Always keep those humanitarian grounds at the top of your priority. Always be a good human. The next fundamental duty is from I, which is insult. Always protect your public property and avoid violence. Never ever demean anybody and किसी भी तरीके का कोई भी violence को promote मत करो. Always try to avoid violence. The next fundamental duty is from J, जो ये कहता है that jack of all trades. Fundamental duty number 10 says that you should become a jack of all trades and you should excel as an individual in all spheres and fields. Last fundamental duty, which is the 11th fundamental duty, is from K. So basically K stands for kids and the 11th fundamental duty is that सारे parents की and guardians की ये responsibility है कि वो education provide करें to all the kids from ages 6 to 14. These all are the 11 fundamental duties. If you will remember all these fundamental duties in an alphabetical manner, so आपको ये हमेशा के लिए याद रहेंगी. Always remember that all these fundamental duties teach us some moral values and they also remind us कि हमारी duty है to always uplift these moral values and live with these moral values. It is our duty as citizens of the country India to respect each other, conserve the environment, protect it, and also and most importantly follow and abide the Indian Constitution. So these all are the 11 fundamental duties which are enshrined in the Indian Constitution of 1950. I really hope आपको ये सारी fundamental duties समझ आई होंगी. Always remember these fundamental duties, all the 11 fundamental duties in this manner, in this format, जिससे आपको exams में ये फॉर्मेट हमेशा याद रहेगा एंड यू विल ऑलवेज बी एबल टू आंसर एनी क्वेश्चन दैट कम्स विद रिगार्ड्स टू फंडामेंटल ड्यूटीज इन अ वेरी सिंपल मैनर। ऑल्सो टू मेंशन, अगर आपने मेरी वीडियोस नहीं देखी हैं ऑन फंडामेंटल राइट्स, please go and watch them. I have filmed separate videos explaining all the types of fundamental rights in a very simple manner with very relatable real life examples. आपको link मिल जाएगा of all the videos in the description down below. So please go and watch them. You will also find the link in the pinned comment. Also I come up with legal videos जिसमें मैं lot topics explain करती हूँ in a very simple manner with very relatable real life examples. अगर आपको किसी भी लॉ टॉपिक में कुछ भी डाउट है, प्लीज लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट्स डाउन बिलो एंड आई विल फिल्म अ सेपरेट वीडियो एक्सप्लेनिंग दैट लॉ टॉपिक टू यू इन अ वेरी सिंपल मैनर with very relatable real life examples. Also अगर आपने मेरी बाकी law videos नहीं देखी हैं, you can watch them. You will find the link of all the other law videos in the description down below and also in the pinned comment. So वो videos देख के आपको एक fair idea हो जाएगा कि मैं कौन से type की law videos post करती हूँ. Till then, please like, share, comment and subscribe, and I will see you guys super soon in my upcoming videos. Till then, please take care of yourself. Bye bye.